Yo. What's good? What's good? What's good? What is going on, everybody? How we doing? How we doing? W New York Sesh? Facts. W New York Sesh. W New York Sesh, man. Absolutely amazing New York Sesh, dare I say. Doing the new model on stream tonight? Yo, I don't know. Yo, should I show them the new model on stream? Nah, because I think that shit is way too cracked. I think it's way too cracked, man, to show the new model on stream. I think we're gonna have to keep that one in the vault. Now we gatekeeping? Alright, yeah, I think so too, bro. Do it for the one time? Maybe. We'll see. Good evening, Key. Hope you had a great day. I did. Thank you, Fiona. I appreciate that. I hope you did too. What's up, bro? What's up, Jake? Any trade plan for Tokyo session? Yeah, let's go over the trade plan, right? Let's go over the trade plan. You guys ready? Okay, let's go over it. Okay, so first and foremost, we have this big old daily fair value gap here. Actually, I'm just gonna put a line. I'll put a level right here. We'll name this daily FVG. Okay, and then this right here is the daily BPR. Okay, so these are two good levels to watch. And then right where we have the daily FVG, we also have a 4-hour FVG and another 4-hour FVG right here. Okay, so we have higher time frame gaps above that are pretty bearish. And I would like to see us go up there and reject. So basically, right now, I would like to see a high, and then I would be bearish from there, right? So I want to see this continue pushing with this low intact, right? Ideally, we leave this low here for now, and then we come back later for it. So we leave that low there and push up towards the daily and the 4-hour fair value gaps, and then make a move down towards, you know, these lows right here, PDL, right? That's going to be what we're looking for right now. So yeah, the PD rays that I want to short are going to be the daily and the 4-hour fair value gaps. Obviously, inside of the 4-hour, you'd have a bit higher probability because we have stacked PD array there, as opposed to having just one time frame PD array, right? And then right above this 4-hour, we have a bunch of little 15 minutes as well, which we'll watch too. But right now, what I'm watching is I would like to see us hold this Wixie here. We have a 15-minute and a 1-hour, right? We have both 15-minute and 1-hour Wixies. So I would like to see us go lower into these and then higher and then lower again, right? So overall, higher time frame right now, my bias is bearish, right? Because I was bullish at one point. I flipped as of today because we did not get the 4-hour change in state of delivery that I wanted to see this morning. We almost got it. We were very, very close to getting it. If you guys saw this morning, we almost got the 4-hour change in state. We would have gotten it right here. We almost had it this morning, and then it didn't get it. And it went and made new lows. So that's pretty bearish to me, right? I would say that that's pretty bearish. Now, that being said, we do have a 4-hour change in state of delivery right here. Okay? We do have a 4-hour change in state here for the upside coming out of the weekly fair value gap. We do have it. However, the way this daily looks, I'm not the biggest fan Okay. So I got like two conflicting biases because my weekly, I can make a case for bullish. And then for the daily, I can't really make a case for bullish just yet. So that's kind of where I'm at. Kind of in between, like, you know, whatever's going to happen here. I guess we'll see. But as of right now, I'm looking for this Wixie 4 hour, 1 hour, and then higher into the daily fair value gap and the 4 hour fair value gaps. And then I would like to short from there. So that's where I'm at right now. If it fails, it fails. We flip bias back to longs to finish the week out. But as of right now, I'm going to say that this thing is indeed going to be bullish, right? Obviously, the FOMC meeting minutes already happened today, so we don't have any more red folder news the rest of the week, right? The red folder news is gone now. So, yeah, I mean, that's kind of where we're at right now. I think that once this week is done trading, it'll give us a better idea of where the rest of this month is going to go and what's going to happen. But as of right now, daily bias is going to be bearish and weekly bias is bullish. So we'll see. We'll see. Hourly Wixie plus 5-minute secret sauce level. Okay. Hold on, let me do the secret sauce real quick. Oh my days, I'm on NQ. Actually, wait, that's fine because I could just trade one mini. Okay. Let me do the secret sauce. Ooh, yes. Oh, yes, I like that. Yep, I like that. Yep. You're absolutely right, MT. I do like it in this Wixie. So, yeah, if we can get there, cool. That'd be nice. That would be the trade of the day here, I think. We're going to be trading one mini. We could possibly trade two minis. I might trade two minis. Fuck, I don't really want to trade two minis. Should I switch to MNQ again and just do 10 micros? I don't know. Evals only? For now, evals, but if I see a really good setup, I'll take it on the funded too. There's a Wixie, literally a 4-hour candle wick. It's not a 4-hour candle wick. Wixie is the midpoint of a wick. Specifically a wick that sweeps liquidity, right? So a midpoint of a rejection block, basically. What's the difference if you don't scale out? Obviously, the trade can come back to break even or your stop loss if you don't scale out. Tell me the secret sauce means longs. I got a runner to... Yeah, it does. It does mean longs. Yes. Yes. I just went over my daily bias, Mike, and my weekly bias as well. So if you go back in the stream a little bit, I just went over it. Just go back in the stream a bit. Rewind. Dennis, what's good, brother? Yeah, I did get some sleep, bro. I fixed my sleep schedule, so like now I'm back to like getting tired as soon as stream ends and going to sleep and then getting up at 8 a.m. like I usually do. So, you know, we're good. We good. Go back to Michigan? Bro, hell no. You copy trading tonight? Probably only one account tonight, my friend. Tell me more about that secret sauce level you liked. It's the midpoint of the wick. How many TPT funded can you trade at once? 5 at once. Sup, Key, we can tell the energy is different tonight. I know, bro. I got some energy. I'm actually energized. You know, I'm not on 3 hours of sleep and driving all day. You know what I'm saying? We good. We're locked in. Yo, guys, I'm low-key hungry, bro. Hold up, bro. I'm about to DoorDash some food. I never DoorDash. I hate fucking DoorDashing because all my fat-ass friends DoorDash. So I was like, yo, I'll never be like you guys. Like, I don't want to DoorDash. But, yo, like, I'm hungry, man. I don't even know what to get. I'll look at this later when I'm hungrier. I'm not that hungry yet. This mean we gonna get a New York stream? Bro, if it looks good, You're becoming whitest, bro? Hell no, bro. I could never, man. This means, yeah, I answered that. If it looks good, I'll stream, bro. The thing is, this morning, we did end up taking a trade this morning. I can't lie. Because I streamed in the Discord. But yeah. Oh. Yo, I don't know if this is gonna even come down. We saw you in the Discord. Oh, you did? Oh, sorry. Already in Apex funded and can get a payout. Have almost 53,000. Want to get to 53.6 to get the $1,500 payout. Want to say thanks. Been learning, bro. Let's go, man. Let's go, Bergie. Hell yeah. Thank you, guys. Thank you. A trade? You mean fucks on a trades? Well, no. I took a trade, like a good one, and then the rest of it we were just messing around. I'm back on Asia. Painkillers wearing off and woke up. God damn it. Yo, welcome in, Sesame. What's good? Nice to have you. It's nice to have you in here, Big Sesame. Guys, everybody like the stream. Everybody like up the stream. Everybody like the stream. Everybody like up the stream right now. Everybody like up the stream right now, bro. Come on, let's go. Let's go. Come on, everybody like the stream. As you guys know, I have 20 fucking TPT accounts to give away. I actually have a lot of it. I have 40 total accounts to give away at the end of this month. But I'll give away some more TPTs. I'll give away some of those 20 TPTs here if you guys want. But you guys gotta like the stream. So, lock in. Love your energy, bro. Thank you, man. I appreciate you, Q Trader. This might not come back down to the 15-minute Wixie, so we may have to take a different kind of trade here. I still want to wait till 10 a.m. or 10 p.m. Still want to wait for 10 p.m., but I do think that this might just rip. Might just rip potato chip. The thing is, like, the only reason why I want to trade the long as well, even though the long is theoretically that's the manipulation leg of the daily, right? But the only reason why I want to trade it is because from here to here, it's almost 100 points that we could potentially catch. So I don't want to just leave that. I'd rather catch it, you know, if I can. If we can see a nice trade, I'd rather catch that. I don't think we set the low, no. I gave my breakdown for bias earlier. I'll put them to good use. I know you will, Brandon. Do you do the month-end giveaway? I've been using Key every time buying TPT. Yes. We do a giveaway at the end of every single month, bro. Every single month. We have 40 accounts to give away at the end of this month. TPTs, Apexes, Tradeifys, and Lucids. 40 accounts at the end of this month. And by the way, if you guys don't know, all you have to do to enter the giveaway, if you just use code KEY on any of the prop firms that are in the description below. Right now, I'm using TPTs on stream here. I'm going to be using these for the next like month or so. That's the goal, because they're 50% off with no activation, and they just recently changed the eval pass to 3 days, which is insane. So 50% off puts them at, how much is it, guys? I think it's 80 bucks, right? I think it's $80 an account for 50K. That is a really, really good deal. So if you guys want, you can enter by just using code KEY on TPT, or again, whatever firm, but I'm using TPTs if you guys want these accounts. And then you'd automatically be entered in a giveaway. 85. think they're 85. Okay, so 85 bucks, yeah. Which is a really good deal because normally they're a little over 100 bucks because they do 40% off. They never do 50. Their 50% off ends on Monday, by the way. 50% ends on Monday. I'm almost 2 weeks since my payout are approved from Apex. Still in our receive. Is that normal? Apex does take a while to pay, bro. Yo, Tet, if you're in the free side of the Discord, I have a contact at Apex, so I can like speed your shit through. If you're in the Discord at all, just tag me with your Apex email, and I can send it up the chain and see what's going on. What's a good new live thumbnail? Yo, you guys like the new live thumbnail? Is it better than the other ones? Bro, people were copying my other ones, bro. So I was like, yo, I can't have this. I switched it up. Just entered a long on this pullback. Yeah, not bad. Not bad. I'm just waiting for 10 because I know 10 p.m. should go a little bit lower. $17 discount, but on a 5 packs of TPT, you basically get the 6th account for the price of 5. Yeah. Yeah, exactly. I know, bro. Looking good. You need to grow your hair back or make a thumbnail with the buzz cut. I know, bro, but like that was like a picture that I was like set up for a video and I took that picture. Honestly, I don't know when I'm ever gonna have like a nice setup like that again to film like a, you know, a high quality video. So for now, you guys are gonna have to deal with me and the long hair and the thumbnails. All right. I'm up 1,800 on 5 looses, 10K incoming. Yo, let's go, bro. I long from 624, but got stopped out at BE. That was sad as fuck. What's your thoughts? You longed at 624, but got stopped at BE. I would have honestly gone BE as well, to be honest. Because of this leg down here, I would have gotten stopped BE too, because we broke through this high, right? So when we broke through this high, like we shouldn't have came all the way back down. But that's fine. No, that's not a bad move to break even. Like, it was a good move to break even. The market was just not on your side. Thumbnail should be you with the middle finger album cover pic. Bro. I tried submitting my order number for the PDF and having issues. Bro, yes, I know, AJ. The website itself is having issues. I'm having somebody look into it right now. If it doesn't fix itself, I'm just going to change it and host it on a different website. But it's not just you, it's everybody, bro. I'll let you guys know when the PDF is back up and ready to claim. I'm sorry, I don't know why it just randomly, like, went down. It's really annoying. Were you ever in debt before profitable? What should be the way through profitability? I was, yeah. I was in debt. I'm so long in options. If I short a sort amount of futes, I'm just neutral. Your boy in hella debt, still use code key. Well, code key is what gets you out of debt, right? That's the thing. So you're on the right track, brother. You know what I mean? Can you buy 5 TPT at once or 1 by 1? It's 1 by 1, but the process is pretty quick, bro. It takes like 10 seconds to buy a TPT account. Weekly Outlook didn't get published this week. Well, Sesame, you see, I was going to publish it, and then I was completely fucking wrong. So I decided against it. I was like, you know what? I'm just not going to publish it. Because I remember in the weekly outlook, I was bullish for the week because we were all the way up top. That was before this big ass move we had down. Use code key on Lucid in the last few weeks. How do you enter a giveaway? That's it. You just used code key. That's it. As long as you use code key on any of those firms, you're automatically entered, right? Because I have the prop firms send me emails for however many codes I have from that firm, right? So if I have 5 codes from Lucid sends me 5 users emails for the winners, right? TPT, with TPT, I'm gonna pick the winners. It's gonna be a little bit different because I send them your emails. It's different. So I go to TPT and I give them one of your guys' emails, and that's how you get the accounts. When we renew the accounts, we cannot add your key. What do you mean? What news caused this dump? It wasn't really much news. It was more so the hedge funds all flipping short. Like all the hedge funds, like big funds, big money, all flipped short. So market goes where they want it, you know? I've got a spin win coming, and I must win the monthly giveaway too with the amount of key codes I've used. Dude, you did already win a spin, bro. Sesame, I owe you $100. You already won a spin. On a renew account, we cannot use code key. Well, yeah, but if you bought the account using code key and it renews, it's still the same. Which is great because this is where we are after they have shorted. My favorite AI, here's the thing, man. I hate to break it to you, but like, as long as you are on your options and whatnot, and I don't want to FOMO, I don't want to like, you know, get you out of your options, but if big money's short, the market goes down, man. You know, if big money's long, the market goes up. If big money's short, the market goes down. And there's simply absolutely nothing you can do unless you have billions of dollars to inject into the market like they do. So, unfortunately, like, I would like the market to go up as well, you know? I would love the market to go up, but it's obviously not. So, yeah. They know something we don't. They always know something we don't, bro. That's the thing. They always know something we don't. Big money, do what I tell them. 5-minute gap there. It's bouncing from that. We have about 5 minutes left here till the 10 p.m. open. So let's wait for 10 p.m. open and let's get something. How many TPT accounts do I need to move the market? Do you think Nvidia pumps on earnings? I think so, yeah. Did you guys see Moderna? Or, was it Moderna, bro? What was it that pumped? What was it that pumped the other day? Yeah, it was Moderna, bro. Like, why? Why did Moderna even pump like that, bro? Like, bro, that shit... If you were in fucking calls... Oh my god, bro. Cancer treatment? They cured cancer. Let me fact check this. Hold on, I gotta fact check this. Cause do you get, I don't know, do you guys think Big Pharma is gonna let cancer get cured like that? Cancer vaccine. Studies ongoing, but interim results found that the treatment met both its primary target of reducing cancer recurrence and its secondary goal of keeping cancer spreading to parts of the body. Okay. I mean... W. That shit's gonna be $1 billion, though. Moderna literally cured cancer and people still probably pop votes. Oh, yeah, bro. But I mean, yo, there's got to be a loser for there to be a winner, though. You know what I mean? There's got to be a loser for there to be a winner. I heard someone say that $70 Moderna calls went up 92,000%. I believe it. That's insane, though, bro. That's wild, man. $1,000 into $900,000, bro. What would you guys do, bro? I would take a fat vacation, man. If you turned $1,000 to $900,000, I would take a very long, fat vacation, bro. Where's the first place you guys are going? Like, what's actually not even that? What's the first thing you guys would do if you were in that and you made you went from $1,000 to $900,000? What's the first thing that you're doing? Like, literally the first thing. What are you guys doing? Like, as soon as you TP, what are you gonna do? First thing. I would buy as many TPT evals as I could, pay off the house, pay off my house, pay my fiance student loans off. GT3RS. Going to Pennsylvania, get a spit on the wheel. Gooning. Resurrecting my mom. Bro. You don't have to... Come on, bro. RIP your mom, man. Take a screenshot. Joining your premium W. Send money to my church first. Yo, W. Yo, it's kind of funny to see the difference in priorities, though, huh? Pay off my mom's house. Pay off my debt. Pay off my fiance's. For those of you guys who are saying, like, you'll do something for others first, yo, you guys are good, dude. You guys are good people. You guys are good people. And then we got the guy saying GT3RS. That guy's finished, bro. Yo. If it was only 900, I'd blow it trying to get another 100 to get a million. Damn, bro. My JDs are jackass and Sir blazing new front lips. Boats and house. Would you advise me to keep purchasing eval accounts, or should I focus on getting my payout on my second PA that's currently in drawdown? Focus on getting a payout, bro. Start a business. You're gonna go to the business store and go buy a business, huh? Yo, W. Putting it all on black. Yeah, that guy's fully finished. Revolto SV. I don't know, bro. Like, you guys a fan? I'm not really a fan, bro. I'm not even gonna lie, man. I'm really not even, like, a fan of it. Okay, here's 10 p.m., guys. Here's 10 p.m. Buying a car is the last thing I would think about. Yeah. I feel you. I feel you. Gotta set up generational wealth first. Facts. Facts. I say type shit and degen it all the way. You guys are funny, man. Honestly, I think the first thing I would do is I would withdraw all of it. And then I would take every single dollar and I would put that shit straight into a dividend portfolio. 900K, almost $1 million in dividends. Almost $1 million in a good dividend portfolio. You can earn like close to 100K a year. It's free, bro. Then you quit your job. What do you think about Julian Petrulis? Undisputed double champ, bro. That guy's the GOAT. Probably not do shit after the million. Yeah. Okay, so like, are we just not gonna go back down? I guess. Like, come on, buddy. Let's go down. Like, I got one eval locked and loaded, ready to go. Ready to deploy some capital. I'm going to be trading 1 mini on 1 eval. 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 Now, if I see a really good trade, I will take it on the funded. But for now, eval only. Those yields are high risk. Safe yields around 4 to 5%. Bro, you got to take some risks, man. Come on, buddy. I got a question. Every single time I get funded and a payout, I try to get more accounts and don't copy trade them instead. Trading it more risky on evals and end up blowing them because I don't want to risk the funded. Any advice on how to overcome it? Wait. Wait, I don't fully understand what your problem is. Like, what are you doing? So you're getting a payout and then you're buying accounts to copy trade them, but you don't copy trade them? Like, you're just doing one at a time, or like what? What's the issue? I'm almost 2 weeks into my payout. I just answered you, Tet. I answered you like a while ago, bro. I told you, send me your email. Alex P, dude, I don't think that's a bad thing, bro. Dude, the market is not that good right now. I hope you guys like understand this. The market is not good right now. So like, obviously you don't want to like, yeah, but he's gambling them. Well, don't gamble them, bro. Like, that's step number 1 is to not gamble. Does FundNext allow stacking accounts? They do, yeah. How many minis? Only 1 mini. Only 1 mini. I low-key want to try it here. This 4 hour, I don't like for longs yet. 4 hour, obviously, unmanipulated to the downside. How do you switch time frames like that? By clicking on the time frame that you have up top. Okay, hold up. Like, I want to get into a short, but like, I want to not yet. Need to wait. Would you reset a blown TPT funded or buy new evals? Definitely buy new evals. Bro, resetting the blown account is like 600? 600, 650? It's a lot. It's too much. So you're an idiot. 450 for 25k, a little too much. Yeah, too low. Too low. What's up, Craig? What up, what up? Welcome in, bro. Why doesn't Tradeovate let you put bracket orders when group trading? You can't. I don't know why, bro, but you just can't win group trading. It's kind of annoying. For that, you need a trade copier. Huge VIX option call are expiring. Could be a sign for a nasty volatility. I think we're going to drop a bit on the NQ. I don't know, but I have a feeling chips are going down. You might be right, because, you know, I honestly, I think so too. I think that I think it's going to go down as well. When is midnight? 9:30 a.m. Eastern. Not sure if you spoke about this already, but weekly BISI and 4 hours CSD. Yeah, I know. We have it, Mauricio. So I spoke about that earlier. And about how I was like a bit conflicted with the overall bias, because today's daily, like, I'm very bearish, right? Not very bearish, but I am bearish for today's daily. From the daily fair value gap, we have a daily fair value gap and 4 hour fair value gaps up top, right? So I'm bearish from those and on today. But the weekly, obviously, we have the 4-hour CISD up. So I don't know, bro. It's tough to say. All institutional money is short. We had the VIX expiration as well. Slobo just mentioned that. So, like, I don't know, man. It's tough to say. It really is. It's tough to say. I just, like, I'm personally not... I'm just staying away from, like, higher time frame, like, longer time frame trades right now. Because I'm just... I have no idea. I'm just going 1 4-hour at a time, brother. I'm going 1 4-hour at a time. Hold on, let me see something real quick. Guys, everybody like the stream, bro. Come on, lock in. Everybody like the fucking stream. What are you guys doing, man? Everybody like it up, like it up. How many max take profit accounts can I use same time? Funded's 5. I just got off the phone with Big Money, told him to tighten up. Discounts on TPT? Yeah, discount right now is 50% off. No activation and 3-day pass. How do you structure payouts just past first 50k eval? How often, what amount? On Apex, as often as you can, right? Which is, if you have the new accounts, it's every 5 days. And you request the max payout, whatever the max payout is. But, I mean, you don't even have to, like, put a... You don't even have to put, like, a time frame on it. Just request the max payout. Whenever it's available, request the max payout. What daily closure for tomorrow will make you bullish again above 50% on daily SIBI, around 900? Honestly... Whoa. Whoa. What's going on? What's going on? What's going on? What just happened to my... Alright, I guess I'm back. The stream just, like, cut out for a second? What was that? Is it back? Am I back? Am I back? Yo, am I back? Oh. Okay, I'm back. Alright, I don't know what just happened. OBS lost connection. Okay, I'm just trying out this small short here right now on this eval. Hoping we can go and properly manipulate this 4-hour. Let's see. 1 mini 1 eval. Yes, 1 mini 1 eval. Thank you, Sosa, for letting everybody know. Appreciate your service, Sosa. I need to see the CE out of this move. Like, please give me the CE out of this. Please, man. Just give me the CE. Just do it. Don't do nothing extra. Just give me the CE. No sound? Wait, no sound? I should have sound. Wait, you guys can't hear me? No, you guys can hear me, bro. Yeah, you guys can definitely hear me. I don't know. I think it's... I don't know if it's an issue with OBS or with YouTube. I don't know, but it just cut out. Saw your A+ video. 7 thing. Thanks for pointing that out to me yesterday. Of course, bro. Totally thought you were going to be bullish. I do want to be bullish. I just need this 4-hour low taken, bro. This 4-hour low here, that has not manipulated at all. This 4-hour low. So once the 4-hour low is taken, like this is what I would like to see, right? This is what I would like to see. Boom. Boom. And then boom. Some variation of this is what I would like to see. In a perfect world, that's what happens. So, yeah, let's see. But this 4-hour, I don't want to be bullish here. Definitely don't want to be bullish on this 4-hour. Like I would only like to look for shorts, just based off of that open. Maybe a little bit higher. Like maybe it even goes to the daily gap without me. Honestly, if it gets like a clean break above these highs here, I would just be down to long it towards the daily gap. Clean break above this, I'll flip, and we'll basically assume that this low is not getting taken yet. But it's kind of layered. Like the bias here is kind of layered. It might get a little complicated, but I explained it earlier on stream. So if you guys just go back to the stream, I did my best to explain it. But it is a very layered bias, so you guys know. When is Powell coming on premium? Soon, bro. Soon. Good old Jerome Powell. Do you trade futures on personal as well? I have a personal, but my live account, I basically reserve my live account for swing trading. I don't day trade on the live. So, whenever I see like a nice weekly range that I'm able to trade, I trade on the live. Otherwise, I don't touch the live. Favorite time frame to trade? I don't think I have like a favorite. The one I probably use the most, 15 minute. 15 minute to 1 minute is usually what I use the most. What are the big black bearish bars on the right? 2 of them. Do you really want to know what those are? Do you really want to know what those big black bearish bars are? Hems bond. Careful what you're asking for. What's up, Yasi? Are you good at swing trading? No, bro. I'm fucking ass, bro. I'm ass. I literally just have a fucking multi 5-figure account dedicated for swing trading for absolutely no reason. I'm dog shit at swing trading. Is it a mini or micro? Well, if it was a micro, did you think I would be up $200 on 5 points or 6 points or however much this is? Yo, what is going on with these candles? Hello? What are these candles doing? I'm only here because my painkillers are worn off and pain is kicking back in. Bro, just take some more. How much do you need to swing? Right now, you need about $40,000 to swing. Bro, just over to... Yo, bro. Chill. Don't say that. Why does your take profit at 603? Any reason? We have a 15-minute and 1-hour Wixie there. So I would like for it to go there and then up from there. Full porting a growth Tradeify eval account on this trade. Well, good luck to your growth Tradeify eval, man. All right, guys. It's getting to the point in time that I'm a little hungry. All right. So now is the time that we head over to DoorDash. Hot and prepared. Yes. Yes. Hot and prepared, bro. This one time, guys, I was so down bad, hungry as fuck. And I ordered DoorDash from like this like corner store, bro, in a city near me. Like, bro, I looked the place up on Google Maps. I could never be caught dead walking into the place, right? I ordered DoorDash from there. Fire food, bro. Fire food. But I think they're closed, though. Why is DoorDash letting me order from somewhere and it says get it by tomorrow 10:30 a.m.? Does it look like I want it tomorrow? Like, what are we talking about, DoorDash? Are you okay? Fuck. Or eat a banana on stream? One of these. What's DoorDash, like Uber Eats? Yeah, like Uber Eats. Nice move. Let's go, guys. Let's go. Boom. Now, everybody, now we go BE. Yay, we go BE. Yes. Yes. Yo, I feel like I haven't taken a win in so long, bro. On Asia, at least. Like, damn, bro. Much needed. Now, please get to the 15-minute and 1-hour CE. Please, for the love of God, just do it. Like, just do it, bro. Just do it. Just don't fuck around this time, man. Please. Please, just don't fuck around. Hold on, I'm going to move the... Fuck it. I'm removing the TP, and I'm just going to manual TP when it gets to this. I'm going to manual TP. I'm up $3,400 on 5 accounts. Let's go, bro. And the guy who full ported his Tradeify eval... Boom. Let's go, man. Wait, can you please explain the reason? I will. I'll explain it in just a sec. Let me close out this trade and I'll explain the trade. Hey, we up, though. Hey, we up, though. Bananas are great for your colon. Important part is you have to eat them, though. Well, yes. Thank you for that, Kyle. I appreciate that. I was just going to look at it. This banana is literally just decoration on my desk. Bookmap shows an assload of orders down at 29,400. They've been sitting there since open. Maybe it goes to 29,400. Hopefully. Hopefully. Not gonna lie, Key. This trade saved me a bit. Let's go. Let's go, WW. Nah, bro, it's your banana phone. Who calling? Yeah. Oh, Ken Griffin? Yeah, what's up, bro? You want me to replace you as CEO? Dude, I don't know. I'm a bit busy, bro. Like, I don't know if I'd be like down for that. Oh, you're in the stream and you took the trade? Oh, okay. Yeah, bro. I mean... Yeah, go ahead. Yeah, dude, $1 billion a year isn't gonna cut it, bro. Unfortunately, like I make a lot more than that right now, so I'd be giving that up, you know. But yeah, bro, hit me up if you need anything. All right, buddy. That was Ken. He calls me from time to time for trade ideas and whatnot, you know. Why do you have it as a phone? A long story, bro. Long story, Yusuf. Is that the new banana phone? Yes, bro. It's the new banana phone. Who's Ken? The CEO of Citadel. It's multi-billion-dollar hedge fund. Check Discord. Yo, W. Let's go, man. Hell yeah, let's go. Ken bring any DoorDash tonight? This thing wants to play around. I know, it's kind of... Like, just get to the Wixie, bro. Just get to the Wixie. Like, don't do too much. I told you not to do too much. But it's doing too much. Like, the Wixie is what I need. Just... get there. Alright? Just get there. And then do whatever you want. Are you gonna TP at Wixie? I would like to TP at Wixie. If I was in micros, I would have taken out, like, half my position already, if not more. That's the thing. That's why I wanted to trade fucking micros, but whatever, man. Here we are. But yeah, if you guys are in micros, make sure you take some off here. Like, take a good chunk of your position off. If you have 10 micros, take 8 off here. And then let the other 2 run to the Wixie. But everybody should be trimming their positions here. I can't do too much, obviously, because I'm in 1 mini, bro. Next time, we're taking 2 minis. I don't go full. We're taking 2 minis. Five-minute fair value. 5-minute fair value. I'm gonna move it a little bit lower in profit. Banger short, thank you for the wonderful trade. Of course, man. Of course. I got you guys. Job ain't finished yet, though, bro. Job is not finished yet. Like, let's get there, man. Come on. New here, nice first trade. Thanks, man. Yeah, W first trade. You ever trade /enter ES or just NQ? Nah, dude. I'm loyal to NQ, bro. I'm loyal to my shorty NQ. Ryan, let's go, brother. LFG. I might just close it here, bro, because this account's in profit, technically. But it's just like BSing. And I only have 1 mini. Like, what the fuck can I do with 1 mini, bro? Nothing. Might just have to close it here. If it doesn't reject here, I might just get out of it. Come on. Dump. Just dump it. Okay, keep going. Keep going. Keep it going. Keep it going. Let already have stop and profit. Yeah, but bro, I'm not letting it come all the way back. There's no point, right? Like, if it comes all the way back up, then it's more than likely bullish. So I don't want to let it come all the way back up. Gotta do the consistency too. Yeah, we're like, if this trade hits full TP, we're pretty close to consistency, right? So like, I don't want to go farther and farther away. You know, like from here on one mini, we're looking at 1220, right? We'd only be 300 bucks off consistency. If it goes just a little bit lower down here, we hit consistency. So yeah, I mean, let's see, bro. Let's see. There's FOMC. What? What are you talking about, man? Are you live daily? Yes, I'm live daily. I'm live every day. But if it goes to stop profit, we have a bullish entry. So basically reading order flow, I guess. Needed 450, so I'm out. Thank you. Let's go. Fire, fire. Yeah, I might just get out of it here. All right, I'm out. Full out there. Now that I'm out, it can dump. Now that I'm out, it can chill in this 5-minute C. Like, yo, what the fuck keeps going on with my OBS? Why is it, bro? I don't know why it's doing that. It's OBS. It just keeps like, I don't know why it's doing that, bro. Why does this stupid ass fucking recording software like not work, man? You have one job. You have one job. It's to record. Shit can't even record. Idiot. Anyways, as I was saying, oh yeah, we're gonna short this again. Surely we're gonna short this again. But now we have a bit of drawdown to play with, right? We have 500 bucks we made there, almost 600. So we have some drawdown to play with. So I'm gonna add some more here. Get into another trade. This 15-minute is gonna go green to red. Trying it there. Add in one mini. This one I'll add two. Guys, I think Ken got mad at me from that phone call. Yo, what a nice fucking trade, though. What a nice trade. Did anybody catch this one? You guys saw me enter that, right? Tell me you saw me enter that. Come on. That was free. I hopped in a mini with you. Okay, nice, nice. I don't know why OBS keeps cutting out, bro. I think it's something wrong with the actual software. I have no idea. I did. Let's go, bro. Let's go. W, man. Yo, low-key aura, right? I said, yo, this shit's for sure going green to red. It cuts out. It comes back. I'm up 500. Aura, low-key, bro. Not even gonna lie. That shit's aura. I'm gonna go break even on this one as well now. Yeah, you're a Jew for sure. It was the banana phone call. If he calls me back, I'll apologize, bro. Because now he's just trying to take me out. I'm only down 70 after being down 500. Let's go. Okay, like, what is that candle, bro? Like, what is that, bro? What are we doing here? Okay, man. Like, sure. Okay, bro. Yeah, just don't get the fucking Wixie. Sure. At least we made a little bit of money there. We made like 50 bucks there, I think. I'll take it. Kenny G is still on the phone. He knows. Fucking Kenny, bro. That fucker. That mother flipper Kenny, man. The new year entire chat was in the trade. I got the original short gang. Let's go. Yo, guys, I forgot to fucking order my food, bro. I keep like, I keep serving the community. I can't even order my food. Guys, what do I get, bro? Like, what do I get to eat at this time? It's 10:30. Like, what the fuck is there to eat at 10:30? I might have to just wrap it up and eat some cereal, gang. Red Lobster? What the hell is that Red Lobster? Bro. From the... No, not the fucking crunch cut, bro. When do you think someone should take a break from trading? Been trading for 3 to 4 months, blown 7 accounts so far. It's all because of over trading and over risking. 3 to 4 months is nothing, first of all. 7 accounts is also nothing, so you're actually not doing that bad. Like, your blow rate, your blow rate is actually not that bad. So I would continue doing what you're doing, but you need to obviously involve some discipline in your trading. You're very new, so this is like part of your journey. Like, it's gonna happen, you know what I'm saying? I paused it, guys, chill. But yeah, eventually, you know, if you're not gonna learn it from me telling you, you're gonna just get to a point where you are pretty much just sick and tired of standing in your own way, because you look back at all the months that you've been doing this and no progress being made, obviously, and you're gonna be like, bro, like, this is I'm standing in my own way, like, this is my own fault. And it's because of this, because you know what the problem is, right? And because you're telling me it's over trading and over risking. It's because you're not disciplined. But you don't just build discipline like this too, you know? What I would do if I was you, on your evals, trade 1 micro at a time. Whatever trade you take, 1 micro at a time, right? Take good trades, 1 micro, and that's it. Because what that'll do is that'll remove the idea of money, right? Like this monetary aspect of trading, it will completely remove that from your brain, because you're not making any money on 1 micro anyways, right? So your main focus is just take good trades. That's it. Just take good trades, take good trades, take good trades. That's it. But yeah, and then another thing is, which Jair trades, another thing that he just brought up that I've said before as well, is that people have a common misconception that you need to trade every day in order to make money. That's not a real thing. You don't need to trade every day in order to make money. You don't, right? You only need to trade the days that your A+ setup is present, right? So how often do you think that the perfect A+ conditions are going to show up in a month? It's not every day. I can tell you that, right? It's not every day. It's maybe going to be, like, honestly, if you really want to be honest with yourself, it's going to be maybe less than 10 times a month. I would say close to, like, I would say probably 6 times a month a perfect setup shows up. 6 times a month, right? So why are you trading the bullshit that's not your A+ setup, right? That's the thing. So, you know, that's kind of what you should have in your mind, right? Like, it's all about your intention. Don't sit down at your desk and think, yo, I need to make this much money today, right? Or I'm gonna take a good trade today, right? Don't think that. You're the only thing that should be going on in your mind when you are trading is, or when you're coming down to sit down at your desk and trade, should be, if there is an A+ setup today, I will take it. If there is not, I do not trade, right? But if you come into the market with the mindset that you are going to take a trade today, you're finished from the start, right? The market will show you exactly why you shouldn't have even woken up that day. You know what I'm saying? So that's my take on that. Also, this now isn't looking like a bad long, even though we haven't taken the freaking Wixie yet, but We did just inverse through both of these here. We're coming back through and retesting. It's like, it might not be a half bad long here. I'm just going to try it out real quick. Do it. Frick it, let's try it. I can't have a stop loss all the way down there. I'm just going to have a quick stop. Quick stop right here. Trying out the long. Yeah, only reason I don't love this is because the Wixie still has not gotten hit yet, dude. We keep bouncing from, like, not hitting the Wixie. But yeah, I mean, let's see what this does. We have a pretty quick stop. 10-point stop. Look at the 15. It's barcoding. I know, bro. I know. Look at this. It's absolutely fucking garbage. It's horrendous. It's disgusting. This 15 is actually like wow, bro. I don't even like, yeah. I mean, that's nasty. Actually nasty. Also, I need to execute on Tradeovate, bro. I'm actually done executing on TradingView. It's completely just frying my fills. Completely frying my fills, bro. Every time. So annoying. I'm just executing on Tradeovate from now on, bro. Okay, what is going on here? What is, like, why is there zero volume? What the fuck happened? What just happened? Phaseroo! What's good, Phaseroo? I missed you, man. I missed you, my Phaseroo. Everyone just DoorDashed and left. The fills are like extra shitty when there's no volume. You get slipped to hell, bro. Like extra shitty. So let's just stick to Tradeovate for now. Market makers all hit TP and went to drink. Yeah, bro. I think Ken like actually got mad at my phone call. I think Ken actually got pissed, guys. Because like first he took down OBS. And he's trying to take down the streams. I kept coming back, and now he's like, all right, bet. So, like, I'm just gonna fuck the market, so you can't even make any money. It's so laggy right now, just like your TV is. Yeah, bro. Tradeovate is the best. Tradeovate is where you need to fill. What is this price action? It's horrible? Yeah, bro. Tell me about it. Somehow we're 2 for 2. I really don't know how, but somehow we're 2 for 2. All right, bro. I'm just gonna close that there for $20. Like, it's not even worth trading this bullshit. I just got out of that for $20. Pretty ass. Very, very ass. I thought it was gonna at least have a move by now, but yeah, nothing. And I'm not gonna wait around. Is today a good day to trade the funded? Bro, what do you think, man? What do you think, Pacha78? Look at this. You tell me, man. You tell me. Last 2 weeks have been pretty gross. Yeah, I know. I know. I mean, this setup still looks decent to go up, but I'm not gonna. I'm just gonna watch it. Just want to say I appreciate you being a real one. I only catch your nice streams, but you're always a good dude and always sharing great info. So thank you. I appreciate you, bro. I try, man. I appreciate you. Were you able to try out the trade copier you mentioned? Not yet. Not yet. Mm-hmm. Mm-hmm. What's the reason you don't copy 50 accounts like everybody else? I normally I do, bro. It's just whenever I'm confident in price, I'll copy. If I'm not confident, I'm not copying. What time do you usually start the live? 9:30, guys. 9:30 p.m. Eastern, I start the live. But I'm not gonna lie to you guys, bro. Okay, what do you guys think about this? Should I go live earlier at like Globex open? Should I go live at Globex instead for Asia? Because, dude, all the moves have been happening at Globex. So, like, I might just start doing that instead. Did you think we would go live for London? Nah. I might do Globex instead. I'm not gonna lie, guys. Just do 24-hour stream. Get a couple of your best students together and do a 24-hour stream. I want to get into day trading. Any advice? Don't, bro. Don't. Wait, like, get into day trading in like 2028. Want to take advantage of code key. Am I allowed to pass more than 5 TPT, but only trade 5 at a time? You can only trade 5 funded TPTs at a time. Yes. I might. I'm not gonna lie, guys. W exit. I know. I might do Globex tomorrow, bro. Tomorrow's Thursday. I might do Globex tomorrow. I might do 8 p.m. tomorrow. And if we get like a solid trade, we just hop off like earlier. Like 8 to like 10. We hop off early. I'm down to do that. I'm down to run that. That's perfect. All right, bet. Bet Globex was ass today though. Bro, it moved. What do you mean? It was nice. We hit this 15-minute gap. I would have easily caught this 15. Bro, this 15-minute fair value gap. 1 minute CISD. I'm in that. Bro. And I would have. I mean, I definitely wouldn't have TP'd here. I would have been looking for this high up here. But I would have probably gotten stopped in profit somewhere. But it would have been a decent trade. At least it moved. Like, look at this. This is not movement. What is Globex for new people? 8 p.m. like Asia Open. The only thing is 8 p.m. be the real pop. So how's that gonna work when you want to leave? What do you mean? Mark has been sketchy as of late. It has. Great, but can you start a little early for the move? Yeah, I'll start a little early for the move. Or how about you guys like lock in and pull up at 8 instead of pulling up at 9? How about that? Ooh, we're almost at the midpoint. We're almost at the Wixie now. Let's see. What time zone is that? Eastern. Took full stop loss. That was a W from me exiting that trade, bro. We're 3 for 3 right now, by the way. She's setting up for a monster move tonight. Hopefully. Hopefully, man. Do you trade oil? No. I bet we chop right here for the next 6 hours. It'd be so sad. But honestly, like, I wouldn't be surprised. Guys, I think I'm cooked when it comes to food. I think I'm, like, actually finished. I don't know. Like, bro. Like, what about, like, a halal platter? Ooh, wait. Cane's is open. Yeah, but Cane's is dog shit, bro. Cane's is... Yo, bro. I might have to just lock in, like, a halal platter. I'm not gonna lie. 50 minutes, though, to deliver that shit? 50 minutes? I'm gonna be asleep, bro. Frick, dude. Okay, it looks kind of good, though. Like, I really want it. But fuck. Don't people in the USA just go to 7-Eleven? Yeah, bro. OC... Yo, OC, I'm not gonna lie, bro. I've been seeing all the videos of Monterey Car Week. Like, damn, bro. California really is fucking beautiful. Like, California is really nice. No wonder it's so fucking expensive to live there. Because that shit is fire. Like, the views and, like, and not just in Monterey. Like, that's everywhere in California. Like, bro, it's so nice. You need to move to I don't know if I could move there. I can appreciate it, though, from a distance. But, I mean, it is, like, bro, the roads that you drive on, like, there's nothing like it. It's so nice. But, yeah. Freaking, I don't know. I live in Monterey. Nice, nice. Try to stop eating late night. I heard it's good for you, though. Also super fucking liberal. That's another thing. Cali's a shithole if you're into cars. We left there years ago. I know, bro, and it sucks because the roads are so nice to drive on. Like, there's really nothing like it. You won't ever find roads like the ones that exist in California to drive in, right? But I understand, like, it does suck for having, like, you know, cool cars. I do understand that part. All right, I gotta make my decision if I want this fucking halal platter or not. Yo, guys, chicken platter or lamb and beef platter? Which one? Or a mixed platter? Low-key mixed platter might be the wave. Mixed platter? Beef and chicken, all three? Okay, okay. So mixed platter then, right? Yeah, mixed platter. All right. Fries and salad. White sauce. What other sauce? Let's do barbecue. Fuck it, let's do some of the green sauce too. We in there. What else? Red is fire, bro. I don't eat spicy though, guys. I don't eat spicy, so like red sauce, I'm actually gonna be done for. Barbecue sauce is crazy. Why is that crazy? GT3RS platter for me too. Make sure you add that. Yo, guys, who does... Hold on. Serious question. Has anybody here done Uber or like DoorDash? When I do the express, is it actually going to come faster or no? Or is that like just a fucking way to take fucking $3 from my goy slop ass? It will? Yes, they break the law in speed. Only 5 minutes? Every minute matters right now, bro. Every minute matters right now. All right, fuck it. I'll tip, and I'll tip the max. I'm tipping the max too, so like somebody better hop on this order immediately, bro. We in there. All right. Like, let's go, buddy. Come on. Pick up my order, please, and thank you. Your priority and they pay the driver more? Okay, bet. Okay, bet. All right, so we're good. We're good. So we're good. We got it. Chilling. Loki about a DoorDash right now? Damn, bro. I'm a bad influence. I'm a bad influence. Can I still use your key code even if I have Fund Index account already? Yeah. For a new one, yeah. Where's Danny when you need him? I know, man. Danny would lock in right now. Turn your camera off. I think you're scaring the markets. All right, bet. Say no more. All right, bet. Guys, by the way, it's still not at the 15-minute Wixie and the 1-hour Wixie. It's still not there. 5-minute gap, though. 5-minute gap, though. Hold up. This wouldn't be a bad 1-to-1. Yeah, not a bad 1-to-1 right here. Your code isn't working on MFF. On MFF, it's Keyflow. Alhamdulillah for camera off. Yeah, you guys are pieces of shit, man. Yo, not a bad 1-to-1. I'm not even gonna lie. I might even do it. Nah, low-key, we're not doing it. We're just tape reading it. When will be a discount for your premium Discord? I don't know. You guys just gotta wait and see. You guys just gotta wait and see. So NY session? Yeah, New York session, yeah. We'll do New York session. Waiting for a long time now. Bro, I did one like recently a while ago, but I you guys know, bro, I don't do discounts. Like I rarely ever fucking do discounts. If I do another one, it'll be here on this stream and it'll be over by the time the stream is over. So like make sure you guys tap in because yeah. Why would you give a discount on something that is so cheap with so much valuable shit? I don't understand that. Yeah, that's true too. You know, that's a good point. There's so much value in there that it's like, honestly, like the price point that it's at is very, very fair. Like, I genuinely think it's more than fair. And you guys can ask anybody that's inside of there. Like, don't even take my word for it. Do it now? Nah, not now. I gotta edge you guys a little bit. Yo, did my DoorDash get accepted? Oh, it did. Oh, yeah. Oh, and he's like right there too. Nice. What a... Yes, bro. Yes. All right, bet. What a good guy. What a good guy. People charge $4,000. Key charges $500. True. This is true. It's $580, guys. It's the first link in the description. It's $580 and it's lifetime. Did you get the pork platter? Why the fuck would I get the pork platter, bro? Where's the people that teach the strategy in the premium? What do you mean? What does that question mean? What do you mean, where's the people that teach the strategy? What the fuck does that mean, bro? There's multiple strategies and there's multiple people that teach multiple different strategies. Like, I teach my own strategy in there. There's a Learnly full of videos, like multiple different modules of my strategy, like 3 strategies that I teach. Art has his own strategy. 9, he teaches his own. Arash uses my model. Ryan trades options. So we have everything in there. Like, literally all fucking bases are covered in there. What you get? I got the mixed platter. It's like lamb and chicken. Are we looking for short? Well, I'm not really looking for anything anymore. Keyflow, why are you so handsome? Yo, this Phaseru. Phaseru, get him. Aru, where are you at? How much was it? Low-key, I don't know. I forgot. I forgot. Yo, this guy's double dashing, bro. What the fuck is a double dash? Does that mean he's giving it to somebody else? He's like going somebody else as well? Bro. What the hell, dude? Why is he fucking double dashing, bro? I paid more. And I tipped him the max and I got express. I actually deadass just got scammed, bro. There's no way this guy's double dashing my shit. It's not up to him. Why is he doing you like, bro? I don't know, man. It means you broke and he's going to deliver another order first. Got to pay extra to get yours first. I fucking did, asshole. I literally did. Being a streamer is hard. Y'all got to keep up with random comments. I know, bro. Okay, I'm out. Bank, going to sleep. Nice, take care. All right, let's go, bro. Fire. I never had luck with paying extra, but thought it was just my area. I might just be everywhere, honestly. Key called out that 1-to-1 RR and it paid. Bro, I was calling it out to go short, gang. This shit's not paying. It's gonna hit stop loss. Yo, bro. What happened with Turbo and ZZ or whatever his name is? Are they still trading? I have no idea, bro. No idea. Don't really know them. Don't really care. Utility, there's so much. I made 141 for the night. Now I'm asleep and wake up for London, work at NY section. Nice. You're joking, right? I went long. No, I'm not joking. I was dead ass calling for it to go short, but I mean, if you went long, W. Would you limit 606? No. No. No more trades tonight, guys. No more trades tonight. We're done. We're done. We are done. Yo, guys, can somebody Shazam this song for me, bro? Can somebody Shazam this? I have no idea what song this is. Here, I'm gonna turn it up. Shazam it. Heal by Mern. Okay, bet. Appreciate it. Appreciate it, guys. Wait, I have a new song for you guys to Shazam. Shazam this one. Fucking Ryan McKenzie, bro. Fucking ad, bro. Hold on, guys. Hold on. Fuck. You guys already know. Bro, I got 2 ads. Not even one. 2 15-second ads, bro. Oh my god. Ruined the joke, bro. Fucking god, bro. Loki, that might be what we need for the market to go in our favor, huh? Ban incoming? Always knew you were affiliated. Yo, bro. Key kiss the wall. All right, bro. Tell me. All right. Let me ask you guys this, bro. If you got offered $1 million right now, okay, $1 million, would you go and kiss the wall and wear a yarmulke every day? And you gotta wear it like wherever you go. Kiss the wall and wear a yarmulke every day. Anywhere you go. You gotta wear it to sleep. You gotta wear it everywhere you go. I do it for free. Yeah. 1 mil way too low. I would pay to do it. Not for $1 billion. I have a soul. Bro, try to recruit from YouTube chat. No way. I'd kiss the wall only for TPT accounts with code key. W. Why is that so bad? I don't understand. We got him. We fucking got him. Wixie took? No. Not yet. Not yet. Don't they own streaming services too? Yeah, bro. They probably own YouTube, let's be fair here. If I don't ever come on again, you guys know what happened, bro. I got taken out, bro. I got taken out, bro. They got me. Alright, yo. Can Broski pull up with my fucking food, please? I'm hungry, man. Please. Bro, look at your short. I'm not in a short, but yeah, I know, I see it. Word on the street, Shinobi kissed the wall twice for his G80. That true? He might as well have, bro. No, for sure. Code will still be used in your loving memory. Today I was mowing my lawn and realized I need to lock in harder with trading so I can instead pay some Mexican dude to do it for me. Yeah. Yeah, bro. I mean, if that's your why, then that's a pretty good why. You know? All right, Sushi. Have it going, brother. Honestly, guys, I think I'm going to call it a night here as well. Market is obviously trading like shit. It still hasn't hit the CE, by the way. We have not hit the CE yet. It edged it. I guess maybe you could consider that it hit it, but I don't know. I'm just going to leave it alone. I'm not touching this. That's it for the stream. As always, guys, if you are looking to buy any prop firm accounts, use code KEY. You know what I'm saying? Supports me being here for free every single day. Yeah, that's pretty much all I got. I'll see you guys maybe tomorrow morning. Maybe. If it's trading good, I'll see you guys tomorrow morning. If it's not, I'll see you guys tomorrow night. But I think tomorrow night I'm going to start at 8 instead. So we're going to start at Globex instead. So, yeah. Let's plan that for tomorrow. And I'll see you guys then. Have a beautiful day, everyone. Have a good night. And peace out.